Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to our guys. Today we will be going to, to Singapore. It's 5 a.m. Naglakat kami sa balay, sang 3 sa Kagawan. Abot din naman sa airport 4. Guys, wala tulog. Manang is talking to mommy because mommy wants us to vlog. So tiko my face. Guys, ang bala pa mo hello sa camera ng me.
Valid IDs and boarding pass.
Dem na class ko. Ay, siya ba? Which vlog?
Imo po nanay. Imo.
Yan, na-block ito, di boy? Picture na din sa mga kilid na, oh. May isa di apart yan, di ba lang duwa na ako.
Look, Meng. Istog dami nga.
Hours later. Huh?
Gusto yan mo? Mommy wants steak.
Tikay may gimutang iya pang dalong para magdamol.
Guys, day 1 of Singapore. So this is our afternoon trip. We're gonna go to where? Lao Pa. Okay, so food check. Plain dress. Plain address. Wow, bye. Wow, girls, wow. Katuluyo, man. Sorry. Guys, so kami ni CC lunch with the time. Pagkaon.
Mga Chinese.
I don't know. Duck?
Oo.
Chicken! Hindi mo gusto makana?
Ano lang, pwede mo na yung kamix yan. Ano mo?
Hey guys, nakaon na kami guys.
Foodies. Okay. Me try the first.
Ano na kwa?
Katsu.
How much was it?
It's $6.
What did they say?
Oh, it's spicy.
Naka.
Tender yung chicken.
I've got the roasted duck pork rice with corn. Kag, may dumplings.
Try it.
Duck anay.
Is that your first dog? No. Okay. Is that your first dog?
Try ka na gali.
Can I try yours? Can we switch? Okay. May review your dog. spicy?
Hindi.
Namit ang sauce? Mmm. Tama ka eh.
Pero namit.
Mas luto ko nga po ilang ka Pilipinas.
Ito, yan naman is okay guys. So, matry ko sa Matsuni Sisi Sharn.
Kahang na.
Okay. We're here. So guys, that's how I am every day.
A few moments later.
More up. Ang ulo mo iba man oh. Backward gamay. Okay. One small meter. Perfect. Wala ka mayugaan. So, there. Diba? Ikaw mo na ngayon. Damn, I look good. Okay, never mind. Kita ko ng lion. So, 3, 2, 1. Jogging, naka-dress, naka-unitsuka. Hi, sis! Cousin Bond. Cousin Bond, guys. So, makita na naman ang lion. Oh, wow. Oh, go lang. Jogging mayo na. May Shake Shack. Manda sila gali. Joke, tumayar yun na sa UK. Amot tumayar na nalipat. Wala na ako nakakatos. Okay, Dubai na. Ebe, over a year, brah. Let's go! Bye!